Hey guys, good morning and welcome to 4x Trading, your trading group. I'm Kram, my partner's Cash, and we're here to make you guys understand everything day trading and these markets to start making you profitable on a daily basis, alright? So, just a quick disclaimer, you guys, for the ones that are new on here, we are not a buy or sell channel, okay? We use technical and fundamental analysis to find potential opportunities in these markets to bank pips, which we then convert to money. All right. So if you're going to be looking for someone who's going to tell you to buy now and sell now, you're not on the right stream, straight up. Okay. But if you are looking to learn about these markets and trade the 4x profitable trading strategy live, then stick around because that's exactly what we're going to do, and that's exactly what you guys are going to experience. Okay. So it's an overwhelming day for us today, for myself and Cash. We've practically spent one quarter here on PWL, and we can't thank you guys enough for the love that y'all have given us. And today is, as crazy as it sounds, today is the last trading day of this year. Okay, it's the last trading session for us, and I just want to put that out there. Thank you so much for everyone that's been so supportive of us. We promise we're going to take good care of you guys in the coming year. Okay, and next year, 2023, is going to be a 4x year for you guys. All right, so I'm going to quickly share my screen with y'all. I love that Millzone. Your DP, your picture just had like hearts going on. That was crazy. Thank you.
It's because we love you, buddy.
Hey man, I appreciate that. All right, so okay, guys, we've got some news. We've got some news in the next 9 minutes. Are we gonna get a move? Maybe. Are we gonna not get a move? Maybe. We're gonna find out, okay? Y'all need to realize what the date is today. Tomorrow is gonna technically be the last trading day of the year, but tomorrow is gonna be a dud. Okay, either you're gonna see price going crazy, or you're just gonna see price stay still for the whole day. One of those two things are gonna happen, and we're gonna call it a year after this session. Okay, we don't want no part of that. We're getting into the holidays, and we're gonna have a good one. Okay, so guys, this is what I've marked up on Nasdaq. I did take a look at the dirty as well, and they both look decent. Okay, I won't say they look good, but they both look decent. I think for news, maybe we're gonna stick with Nasdaq and gold, which triggered, and I didn't know, babe. You were supposed to let me know about that, but okay. This was the gold trades that we were looking at, but it's all good now that we've broken that. Let's wait to break some more structure. Okay, we can now move this supply up here because that's what it's respecting, as you all can see, based off of these wicks, based off of this area. We've got some supply. Let's see if the buys want to come in there. Okay, so let's throw on a level right there. Let's clear this, and then let's see if on news maybe they want to give us that pop to the buy, either to this area on gold, or if we break past this area, we're looking to hit the daily resistance. We could probably start to get rejected from the daily resistance if we do decide to get pushed up, just because it's the daily resistance. And if we do get rejected, we'll start looking for the sells. If not, we'll just wait for price to do its thing, and we catch the move on the break of structure to the upside. Okay, and for the sells, we could start getting into sells right in this area. Okay, as y'all can see, we do have some demand down here. Alright, this would have been a nice zone to zone scalp, you guys. This was anyway not break of structure, as y'all can see. This is the liquidity grab for right now. Okay, so we can look at the sells down there. And maybe look to test out that area and try to sell into demand. And same thing applies here. We break past our demand down here. We're looking to test this area and then this area, and then we could just keep falling. Okay, let's see how they want to close this year. All right, you guys. So that's what it is on Goldie. Nasty had a little bit of a retest. Okay, let's take a quick look at the RSI. Looks good. I like the sells on Nasdaq. Okay, I like the sells on Nasdaq. I'm gonna start to maybe layer my positions if it wants to come down here, guys, remember, layer, be conservative. Don't be trading more than 1% at any given time. Okay, not today, not tomorrow. Let's see. Okay, but y'all want to put in the habit of not risking more than 1% on any given trade. Okay, so this we could maybe get in on this if it wants to happen, and if they want to push up, which is also a very solid possibility, you guys, our buys are gonna come in above there. Okay, for now they're showing us that the buyers are in control. Okay, but what if they want to maybe go and do something like this, right? Break of structure, boom, we could try to catch that, but again, this is only one side of the coin, right? The flip side is we do that. Irrespective, we're going to be ready going both ways. Okay, that's what we do here at Forex. We scalp these freaking markets. All right, so this one's going to be good irrespective, just as long as we have movement, guys. Me and Cash, we traded this for London this morning, well, our morning. This was on the German 30, caught this nice meaty chunky move. We also caught the sell down here, and we caught all of this action going to the upside. If I'm not wrong, Cash still has a runner that's running in on this trade for I think $5 or something of that sort, and we're still testing the high, right? We're still at the highest point of this trade. We're still testing that. Okay, can we drop from here? Maybe. You trading your stop? She's trading her stop loss. All right, so her stop loss is going to be down at the next support, which is in this area. Okay, so it looks good. I'm so excited, and I can't wait for you guys to start trading with her from next Tuesday. Okay, so guys, when's our next trading session gonna be? We're off tomorrow. We're going into the holidays. We're going in for New Year's, for the weekends, and then on Monday is another off day because the markets are shut, and on Tuesday we get back, not just with the New York market open, but also with the London market open. All right, so you guys, I need y'all to give my partner as much love as y'all possibly can, and she's gonna be here doing it for you guys just the way I do it for y'all every single day. Okay, so this is gonna be crazy, and like I said, 2023 is the Forex year, not just for us at Forex, but for all of you guys who are a part of Forex. Okay, it's gonna be crazy, you guys. Let's see what they want to do. I'm testing out a sell right now, okay? Just a feeler. I'm just testing it out. It may I 100% would be fine if my feeler goes up to the supply and I'd be ready to get in on buys, okay? But I just want to test out the waters just to see what price wants to do. All right? So I'm going to do that, guys. Your feeler should be extremely tiny, okay? Y'all know my account size. Well, y'all don't know my account size, but I've got a big account, and I got in at around this area. I am okay to risk 16 pips into $1, which is $16 on my account. All right? Just testing it out, but I will be trigger finger and I will be ready in case price wants to start to go bullish on us. Is anyone in any sort of trades at all, you guys?
Just a small mass feeler.
For the sells? For the buys?
Sells.
Okay. Okay. Good. Good.
That 10 to 740 entry looks pretty good.
Well, honestly, this was the original sell that I was looking at. All right, so I had this level. I was looking to break this level, but then I didn't catch it. I didn't have the alert on. That's what I was looking at, because again, this is not the big term trend, but this is more the short term trend, right? So if we break, the reason for this scalp is because if we break the zone, we're coming down to the next zone, right? So it could just be maybe an impulse, it could be maybe one of those nasty little y'all know how it happens on news. We have those liquidity grabs. It could be any of those, but as long as we're prepared for them, we could capitalize on those as well, right? So this is the short term, which is why I was looking at this area for the entries. But again, let's see, where are the real sells? The real sells are down here, because this is going to be break of structure. All right, so if they want to push it down here, I don't think we're going to have enough momentum, not on news, to push it down. But if we do, we're going to capitalize on that. Okay, you guys, we have about 40 seconds. Okay, 40 seconds. What are they doing with gold? All right, I think again, same story with gold. Same story with gold. It could go either up or down. Down does look pretty nice, and based off of price action, we need to fill this. All right, so even if they don't fill this now, I promise you guys they can push it up, but in some time they will come back down to fill this. Okay, so just based off of price action, this is our entries. Okay, guys, we have news in the next 10 seconds. Let's have a good one. Please, please, please don't over leverage your accounts, you guys. All right, trade safe and let's have a good one. Okay, Wiki. All right, Nasty's going up for a retest. Nasdaq, let's see if they want to hold half this candle. Okay, let's see if they want to hold half this candle. My stop loss for this now, you guys, is probably going to be this area. I'm not going to hold till the entry. It's just going to be the start of the supply. Okay, because in case they want to start to push it bullish, the chances are they break past here and they're going to push up. Okay, okay, that's why I didn't get on anything on on gold, because gold is being gold. Let them decide what they want to do, even though this does look good. All right, okay, DAX is making maybe a little bit of a double bottom. Maybe it's now time they start to come down. Okay, we're respecting the 50, which is a sign for the buyers. All right, well, let's see if they want to break down. Okay, so far buying volume coming in. Dirty markets today, huh? Dirty. I want to take a quick look.
Oh yeah.
Let's take a quick look at the US 30 as well. The Dow is starting to go bearish. All right. Okay. Maybe Nasdaq's going to follow through. Let's see. Listen, if you guys aren't comfortable taking any bigger trades right now, wait for price to close. All right. Wait for price to close on the box and then wait for the retest, the rejection, and the break of the previous structure. All right, if you guys have been trading with me, you all know what I'm talking about. If you all haven't been trading with me and you all are new on here, then just go on to Forex Academy and watch the video post this session. Okay, all right, indecision so far on gold. Well, I'd be lying if I said I didn't expect this. And yeah, indecision on Nasdaq too. Okay, the buyers are definitely trying to take control, but this is not a definitive candle. Okay, there you go. All right, so they're starting. Okay, I have a hard stop. I have a hard stop set on Nasty. All right, guys, look at that. Boom. Did anyone get in at all? Was anyone looking for the buys? My wife is up by 4,000. Okay, I have entered in on the buys now. I want to capitalize on this momentum. All right, let's get it to TP, you guys. Let's take it up there. Okay, we can do it, right? Ha, not right now. Not right now. All right, so as of now, I am in on a buy feeler and I am stopped out of my sell feelers. Are we going to respect this, or are they going to make a fool out of us and push back down? We'll find out. Okay, but for now, I'm looking a minute and a half. Listen, if you guys aren't comfortable, wait for the first candle to close in the box. All right? The dirty went bullish. Gold is not doing anything, okay? Let's have that break. I'm watching it really, really closely, you guys. Okay. Cash's entry for this was down here, by the way. She started getting in on the sells on the break of this supply, and on the break of our previous supply, it happened pretty quick. She was trigger finger fast enough to get in. That's a really big lot. What are you doing? Okay, she's gone in with a crazy, crazy lot. She says it's the last day, but she's already secured this lot, okay? I'm not even going to tell you guys what lot she's on because I don't want to put you all into the bad habit of doing this. We have big accounts, that's why we're able to trade these lots. But she's up by 40 pips at this point. Okay, let's see, you guys. Let's see, alright? 13 seconds. Do they want to give it to us? Or do they just want to play with us, okay? Gold is getting triggered as well. Okay, do you guys think gold's gonna do it? Retest of our now turn demand. I'm in on a gold feeler buy. And I'm also trigger finger right now. I want some volume to break maybe this area. And that's when we could look good to get maybe 10-15 pips from these markets, okay? Boom. There you go. All right. Nasdaq? Okay. Sorry, Nasdaq. Yes, Nasdaq. There's too much happening right now. Okay, I managed to grab about, I'm running by about 300 bucks, 400 bucks on gold right now. 500. Okay. All right, cash is up by 6K. All right, guys, I've changed my goal because gold is being gold right now. I have a break-even stop loss at this level. Break-even stop loss over here, and I'm running by about 500 bucks right now. Okay. I haven't taken out profits. If it wants to come back down, I'm just gonna get stopped out at break-even, and I'm good. Okay. My lovely cash is up by 7 grand. Beautiful, babe. Pull some out. 8 grand. She's up by 8,000. Look at Nasty. Who caught Nasty? Who freaking caught that, you guys? Who caught that? What a day. What a day. All right. Insane. How many of y'all caught that? All right. Everything is buying right now. Freaking hell. I'm running 800 bucks. Cash is up by 10 grand, babe. Pull that out now. I mean it. Pull that out. Okay, Cash's account is up by 10 grand. I'm up by 1200 on Goldie. Alright, look at this, guys. This is what we do here at 4X Trading Group, okay? We're giving you guys the best freaking closing session that we possibly can. This is insane. Alright, this is crazy. And bang on, we hit TP. Whoever asked me for TP, you caught that. I hope you caught that, okay? Don't get greedy, pull out your position. This is insane, you guys. What a day. Okay, what a day. Yes, sir. And listen, this is... it makes me feel so good that we had this sort of a session to end this year. It's just... It's so overwhelming, you guys. I love it. I'm completely out of my gold position. I'll tell you how much I banked on gold. Babe, can you send them a screenshot of okay, she's also doing a screen recording, so that's why she can't send a screenshot to y'all right now. But I'll show y'all what I caught on, not too much. All right, I caught 14 pips, so I caught about 50, close to 1500 on gold. Okay, I'm more interested in what Cash is doing right now, though. I'm not gonna lie to you guys. She's gone in, Milzone, Dawood. She's in with a 25. And she's riding this 25 from the past 40 pips. 40 plus pips. Yep. She's up. She says that she expects it to go up even more, but we have a lot of traffic coming in here, you guys. If we break this, we're pushing.
My 200 bucks while Cash makes her 25.
Hey man, it's all good. Okay, listen. Look at the traffic we're coming into over here, okay? Y'all need to realize we have some serious supply sitting up in this area, okay? If we break this area, okay, we are pushing up to test all of these wicks that y'all can see. Y'all don't even need me to mark TPs for y'all because literally we break past here, we're testing that, we're testing that, we're testing that, we're testing that, we're testing that. Are we gonna break up? I'm not sure. Okay, look at this move. This is... a big ass move. All right, And in these markets, these are big moves. Okay? Alright? So, you guys have been trading December with me, and you all know how choppy December has been, but you know what the beauty of this is? If we start to break this key area, alright? If we start to break that, mark this whole area up as some supply right now, okay? We start to break that, gold's gonna buy you guys, okay? Let's see if they want to give it to okay, babe, you need to pull out some of that, I kid you not. That's what I keep telling my one-on-ones. You better be listening to it, okay? Pull out some of that. New candle. Testing our supply on gold. And look at Nasty. Nasty has closed up that area. Let's look to break. Let's look to break. We could maybe go and test next TP up there, okay? Listen, but y'all also need to realize that this candle can come down to test 50% of this big bullish move, okay? But if you want to get in zone to zone, I'm not recommending it because it'd be buying the top because the move is most likely already done. But if you want to get in zone to zone, you're looking at a very teeny tiny move there. It's not worth it, okay? Let's wait to break that area and see if we want to continue to get some bullish momentum. Let's take a quick look at look at this. All right, I'm not comfortable buying this market. Even though we have room to go up, I'm just not comfortable buying this market. My wife is, and she's okay with it. I want you to pull some of that out. I mean it.
Yeah.
Good. Okay. Now let's see if they want to bring in the reversals, or if they want to. Okay, so I don't think I ever sent my position out to you guys for gold. Alright, I just banked a quick 1500 on gold, nothing too much, but y'all know me. For the past 2 weeks I have been trading a lot more conservatively. Okay, because listen, as educated traders, as professional traders, y'all need to be able to adapt to these markets depending on what every single day looks like, okay? Because every day is going to be different, every hour is going to be different, every trade is going to be different. You have to adapt, and you have to sort of just go with the flow and adjust with the moves that these markets make, okay? So that was my play. If you guys check it out, I got in with a feeler for about 17.5 pips. It was about 20 pips, but then my brokerage, and I got into a nice Lambo for about 14.5 to 15 pips, which again was about a 17-18 pip move, but that's what I caught minus my brokerage. Okay? So we're respecting. Look at that. We're respecting, okay? That's a good sign, but if they wanted to come down to test half this candle, we're looking to test this area. Check it out, you guys. Check it out, okay? Last trading session, we are we're showing it to you guys. Throw some love on that through those emojis, whatever the frick they call them. But look at our logo. Look at our logo. What do you guys think? Does it go with what we do?
Looks fantastic.
Right? I love it, man. I love it. It gives me chills, literal chills looking at this. It's insane. Overwhelming day today, you guys.
Look at Nas, it's insane.
Mhm.
Look at that.
The sound is gonna say, "Are you banking?"
Oh man, that's gonna be insane.
No, maybe not that much, but yeah, I'm glad you guys like the logo.
Love it, man. Thank you so much, Mil, my man. Appreciate you. All right, are we gonna break, guys? Look at Nasty. Nasty is still pushing. Nasty, freaking hell, babe. Okay, she's still going crazy. She's still going crazy with her lots. Okay, it's all fine because it is the last trading day, and there's no way she's gonna make a loss because at this point she's up by 60 pips. All right, so she's trailing a stop. Where's your stop now? The wick. This is her stop, and she's giving it room to breathe. Even if she's up by here, she's gonna have banked at least 40 pips on this move.
Okay, to lose 50% of it.
Yep. Okay, good. The dirty went bullish as well. Testing supply. Let's take a quick look at the RSI. I hate buying over bought and selling over sold markets, you guys. You'll pick up my sense of humor. It's yeah. I keep throwing in these little jokes here and there. You'll pick it up. Okay, but all right. So what do you guys think? What do you guys think? How has it been for y'all so far, guys? It's a very overwhelming day for us today. I kid y'all not. Me and Cash. We were talking today. We were talking to some of our family who are also involved. We just spoke with Millzone, who has now become family to us as well. Dawood as well. We've just spoken to everyone, and we've realized that we've spent a quarter over here doing what we do, and it's unreal to think how far we've come in the past 3 months, you guys. I really want to take this moment to thank y'all, because I know that 80% of y'all have been there from day one, and I cannot appreciate you guys more, okay? Y'all have started making money through us, and I promise you, we're gonna make you guys so much money in 2023, because, fucking hell, sorry, excuse my language, but I saw that happening on my MetaTrader, but, we're gonna make you guys so much money in 2023, it's gonna be insane, and I just want to thank y'all. All of us at the Forex team, we want to thank y'all for having just stuck around and just being such loyal supporters and followers.
Tell them we're sending hugs. That's so sweet.
Cash says we're sending hugs, Mill. Yes, sir. Let's go. 2023 is good.
Everything
Amen.
We appreciate you guys so much. We've been really fortunate to just meet the right business partners to be here at PWL. Y'all know me, guys. I'm a traditional Forex guy. I had nothing to do with NFTs. Hawker, who's on this session here today, actually linked me up with Millzone, and that's how this whole crazy journey started, and we're here now, and we've got plans that are literally to the moon with what we're building here, all right? So it's just an overwhelming day, and I just really want to thank everyone that's made this possible, you guys. It's been a crazy ride, and the best part is we're only getting started. All right, so rejections coming in.
Have some good toast.
Rejections coming in from the supply on gold. Nasdaq's going crazy. Did anyone bank from this zone to zone? Not you, babe. I'm asking the rest of the crew. Did you guys bank? Good. Okay. All right. This is a crazy move. I mean, for real, I wasn't expecting this sort of a move today. I did think that we'd have some movement, but not these crazy zone to zone movements, right? Because what I was telling you guys, and this applies to tomorrow as well, if any of you guys are going to be trading tomorrow, please be careful, because one of two things is going to happen. All right, over here we had good moves, but these good moves respected TA, right? These good moves, y'all can see it by these wicks, by these where the lines are placed. This respected technical analysis, okay? But what we tomorrow, what y'all can expect is either no movement at all, a complete dud, where all the daily candles will just literally be a little tiny line, all right? Or you'll get some erratic movement, but movement that may not be respecting levels the way it is today, okay? So my point is, just watch out if you're going to be trading by yourselves tomorrow. I wouldn't recommend it. In all honesty, I wouldn't recommend it, okay? We're now coming into some demand here. Why are we coming into demand? Look to the left. All right, you've got your answer right there. Orders sitting in this area based off of all of these wicks that are seen. Okay, so we're coming into some demand. Let's see if they want to hold true to this demand, or if they want to start to sell the market. Okay.
Hey, Graham, can I borrow everybody for a second?
Go right ahead, my man.
Hey, guys, as we focus on the end of this session. Obviously, please don't be buying top. If Graham sees anything else, he'll let us know. I just want everyone to know. Don't ruin your profits for the year, for the day, for the week. I'm glad everybody banked. Hopefully, a lot of you that didn't maybe react to it still did. But at this time, I know there's a lot of people in different areas or different stages in their journey. Some have already become funded through their funded challenges, which is incredible. It's such a hard thing to do on your own. 99% of people fail, and I think we've got a handful of people already passing their challenges and making real money. Some of you just put in your own money and start, trading with a regular account. That's fine too. I know it's all going to be different, but here's the thing. Whatever your experience level is, I want you to know that the best way to learn is to ask questions on these live sessions. Please do not ping me or Cram at 2 in the morning expecting a response where we're all here sitting ready to help you right now. We've got a million things going on. I'm talking to Cram and Cash about their lives and what they have going on. Okay, we do this as a service. Right now it's free. We want to keep doing it. We want everyone to be successful and not, just sit on the sidelines, even though I'm sure it's fun and cool to see the big green candle go up and everything. We want you guys to be profiting on these. So please let us know where you're at. You could post it, on here or come up and speak. It's push to talk. If anybody's been trying to talk and they can't, it's because it's push to talk, so we eliminate background noise. But now is the time to ask, how do I get started? What app do I use? What broker do you guys use? We're here to answer those. Just realize that this is the time. So I'm hoping to help all of you in this journey, and I just want to make sure that you guys know it's an open group. Okay, I know everybody wants to shut up and listen to Cram. I do too, but it's important as right now where we're having, the move's already done, right? So we're just kind of reflecting on the technical analysis, and there should be no pressure or no hesitation to come up and be in control of your own future, right? Next year, we're going to be starting this, but the reality is we started it 3 months ago. So imagine if you were 3 months ahead of where you are right now. I don't know, what people have that's preventing them from starting, but we're here to help. I know it can be intimidating, but please put your name out there and get involved because it's only going to help you. And I think I speak for everyone, the team, that we're always available. Just it's better to do it now than to ping me when I'm asleep because it's kind of tough.
Well said, my man. Thank you so much for that, Mil. But yeah, guys, he's 100% right. We're doing this for you guys. We're live here every single day for at least an hour and a half to 2 hours a day. Your questions should be here. All right. Go ahead. If anyone's new on here and you'll have anything that you'll want to ask me, now's the time. Okay. Whether it's about getting set up, whether it's about what we do here at Forex, whether it's about our Forex strategy or whatever it is, now's the time. Okay. I just need to work out what platforms to use and I'm ready to go next year. All right, it's pretty straight up. Okay, now that someone's asked it, I'm sure someone or the other probably has this question as well. So it's pretty, oops, my bad, 1 second. Okay, so this terminal that you see here, Chaos, my man, this terminal that you see here, this is TradingView, okay? So we use TradingView to chart our charts to find, guys, this could be coming in, okay? We use TradingView. I'm not trading this, but if any of y'all are, that's what we're looking at. Okay, sorry, give me a second. Okay, if you're not comfortable, wait for the first candle to close, no problem, and then let's see if we want to get this, okay? Yep, so this platform, this terminal, whatever you want to call it, this is TradingView. We chart our charts here. We do not take trades off of TradingView, okay? And we have two types of account. We have an individual account and then we have a funded account. 90% of our community, 90% of the gang we have over here, they're trading funded accounts, okay? Be it demo accounts or live accounts, everyone's at a different level, but they're trading funded accounts. What are funded accounts? It's pretty straight up, okay? There are prop firms that are on the lookout for live traders, for real live traders. Now the way they do it is they put out challenges, and these challenges, they sound simple. Trust me when I say this. I'm sure a lot of members from the group will testify to this as well. It's not as easy as it looks, okay? But point being, you can trade up to $200,000 account for just a mere investment of about $500 of your own, okay? And I'm talking about the big accounts right now. You could literally just invest anywhere between $50 to $100 and trade a $5,000 or a $10,000 funded account, okay? Now, with these funded accounts, how it works is they first give you a challenge. On the challenge, you're on a trial. You're on a demo account, okay? Because they want to make sure that you know what you're doing before they give you their real money, right? So you've got to clear the challenge in 2 phases, okay? In phase 1, you have to successfully grow the account by 8%. I think it's 8%, 10%, depends on what prop firm you are. The prop firm that we recommend is MFF, My Forex Funds, and for their evaluation, their target is 8%, right? 8%. Okay? So say for instance, you're on a 100K account, you grow that account to 108,000, you have now successfully cleared phase 1 and you move on to phase 2. In phase 2, they reset your account and they go like, okay, we want to make sure that wasn't a stroke of luck. We want to make sure that you actually have a strategy in place and you know what you're doing. So go ahead and increase this account again by 5%. So on a 100K account, you grow it again by 5,000, and then you have successfully completed phase 2 and you are now a live trader for the prop firm. Okay, there are drawdown rules, but there's no point of me explaining the drawdown rules to you guys right now, because if y'all don't understand the way pips work, y'all won't understand how that works. But all in all, at no point should you be in more than a 5% loss in any given trade. Okay, that's what you sort of have to keep in mind. And on a 100K account, that just means that you can't close any trade in more than a $5,000 loss. Okay, now you've cleared phase 1, you've cleared phase 2, you're a live trader with the prop firm, it's all going good. How do you make money? It's on you, okay? Because you could grow that account using our Forex strategy either by 10% a month, which is very doable, and I'm sure a lot of the members here are going to testify to that. You can grow it by 10% a month, 50% a month, 1% a month, whatever you grow it. Okay, so say for instance you have 100K, you grow it by 10%, that's a 10,000. You get anywhere between 75 to 85. My OG gang, if you guys can give me the exact number, because I haven't been on an evaluation for a really long time, so if y'all could tell me whatever the profit split is. But if you basically make 10 grand, you get about 8,500 and the prop firm gets 1,500. And all of this for your initial investment of $0, because they also refund the money that you initially bought the account with, right? And say you're a live trader, you lose their money, you do whatever you have to, you're not liable for anything, okay? So the only real risk that you have is the initial investment that you make when you buy the challenge. All right, so that's what most of the people on the community are using, funded accounts. So look at My Forex Funds, go onto their website. Again, everything's on Forex Academy, okay? Just go onto their website, do a little bit of your own research, look it up, see how it works, and get on a demo account first. Trade a demo account for 1 week with our strategy, and when you feel a little more confident, you can actually go on and buy a live challenge. All right, so that's the way the accounts work. And where do we take our trades? We take our trades on MetaTrader. You can use MetaTrader either on your phone or on your PC. If you're on an iPhone, you're going to have a little bit of a problem because they pull down MetaTrader from the App Store. So you may have to trade on a PC, or like a lot of people on the community have done, they have just bought a cheap burner Android phone and they use that to trade. It doesn't have to be anything fancy because MetaTrader is not a demanding app. All right, so you sign in with your broker's account onto MetaTrader, and then you take your trades on MetaTrader. All right, so that's pretty much how you guys have to get set up. But again, just go on to Forex Academy and everything's there. I promise you, y'all don't need to spend more than 30 minutes on Forex Academy and y'all will be up to speed with what we're doing here, okay? Exactly, like Millzone said, like even us, we're all on iPhones, right? But the good thing with us, the good thing with what happened is the iPhones that had MetaTrader, right? But no new phones could get MetaTrader. No new iPhones could get MetaTrader. But again, guys, y'all want to make money. $100 investment is not bad at all, okay? Oh, yes, sir. It does, man. iPhones that have MetaTrader are selling for a lot right now. It's pretty crazy. Okay, nothing much happened here. They're continuing to push you guys. Babe, are you still in on this trade? It didn't hit your stop? Your stop was...
No, I changed it.
Okay.
I put it to
Okay, look at that. Nasdaq's pushing. Next TP, right there. Guys, y'all need to realize that in the next minute, we have the new hourly candle that's going to be opening up, okay? So, maybe they want to make a double top and they want to reverse on it. If that happens, this sell still looks good. I wasn't trading this because I don't want to be trading, but I myself would have probably gotten in on a feeler down here, okay? But it seems like they want to take it bullish. That's what it seems like, okay? Are they going to hold or are they going to break past? That's going to give us our answers, okay? Because based off of these wicks, right? My OG fam, what do you all see here? Come on, I'm looking at the chat right now. What do you all see there? Thank you, my man. Sandy, my man. He's absolutely right. We're coming into some supply right here, okay? Let's break past that and the buys start to look good to maybe there and then maybe there, okay? But look at that rejection, you know? Look at that rejection. To me, in all honesty, to me this looks like a double top. I'm not gonna lie. It's an ugly one, but it looks like a double top to me, okay? Now, that being said, listen, these patterns, they keep double tops turn into head and shoulders, which turn into inverse head and shoulders, which turn into double bottoms, and so on and so forth. You're going to find these patterns sort of just keep switching between each other, okay? So one of two things could happen. Either we do something like this, okay? The ones on my one-on-ones, they know what I'm talking about right now, okay? Either they do something like this, or they do something like that, okay? Or they're doing something like this right now. But then that would mean we would have another retest around here before we start to then push down further. Okay, so maybe they want to save this move for market open. You know, either the buys, the sells, maybe they want to save it for market open. Bro, you should, I think what Millzone is saying is you should unmute your mic and share it. That's what he's trying to say right now. I think you were one of the first ones to become a live trader from the community, if I'm not wrong. Oh, it's all good, man. It's all fine. It's just playing whenever you get the chance, whenever you feel comfortable. You can go ahead and speak about it. Okay. All right. Let's look at. Do you guys want me to blind eye the dirty? Maybe we get something off of here. Zone to zone, that's what you guys are looking at. Alright, that's about a 15 pip move. Boom, straight up, we're coming into some short-term supply and short-term demand right here. Okay, so you all know where it's at. Easy zone fill if we break either of these boxes. Okay, and this is a 10 pip move. This is a smaller move. Is it a 10 pip move? Yep, it's about an 8-10 pip move. That's the bigger move. But that being said, you'll need to realize whenever we close above or below, this structure will be respected to the next support or to the next resistance. Okay, so y'all could still bank on that, no problem. Alright, I want to clean up my chart just a little bit. I'm not used to these messy charts. Let's get rid of these. Let's get rid of this. Alright, let's get rid of that. Okay. 5 minute short term coming in here, okay? Listen, I'm not gonna move this box, but my one-on-ones, maybe, if it wants to start to break down, or you want to be safe if it starts to break down from here, start getting in on some short-term feelers, okay? What's the break of structure? Down here, into the demand and to fall further. All right, but only get in on feelers right now because you all need to realize this market's going crazy. We have our next TP mark there. It also means that can go up. Okay, so this is if anyone wants to start to layer the sells, because listen, what goes up must come down, right? So we've been going up for quite a bit, and that to me is not a good sign. All right, let's see if they want to respect the 70 and push down further, or if they want to break past the 70 and go to test our previous high. Okay, you guys talking about college? I miss college. College was a fun time, and we went to film school, so it was actually a lot of fun.
Tell him. Trying to tell him.
Guys, 1 second. Okay, this, trust me, if this is gonna push, I'm gonna start to enter. Okay, I really am. I want to see this drop back down. I really do. It could happen on market open. We could maybe go back up to test the supply, but this is starting to look good right now. Okay. I like the rejection that's coming in. Let's take a quick look at maybe the 15s. Let's see what the 15s are up to. Let's throw on the EMAs. Okay, getting rejected off of the 200. Where's our 9 at? Yes, we have room to come down to our 9. Okay, so that's why this looks a little juicy to me right now. Are we going to get it right away? Are we going to get it from market open? We're going to have to wait and find out. But it's just starting to look good. Okay, let's take a quick look at the EMAs here as well. Lots of room to play with on the sells on the 5s, okay? Look at gold. I wouldn't be buying this, even though a lot of people I know would. I'm looking at my wife right now, but I wouldn't be buying this. I'm gonna wait for the sells. Guys, y'all know the way I trade, and for me, if the move's done, the move's done. I have banked what I intended to bank off of this setup, so I am good to just wait for the next one, or wait for the rejection, wait for the reversal, whatever you want to call it. I'm good for that, okay? Because I already got what I wanted to off of this chart, off of this security. Okay, testing it out. I'm in on a teeny tiny feeler. Nothing too much. Again, I'm okay if the feeler wants to break our supply and push up. In all honesty, I'm gonna hold this feeler all the way till we test this, because we could maybe go up there and come back down as well. Okay, so I'm fine with holding my feeler. Y'all need to realize my feelers are extremely tiny. They're $1 a pip. Y'all shouldn't be using $1 a pip for your accounts. Not if y'all are on a 100k plus funded account. Y'all should be using nanolots or whatever that it is that you'll use. But the tiniest position that you possibly can, that's what you want to use. Okay, and then you won't be sweating, and you'll be able to hold all the way till up here. Okay, because the truth is, the real big break of structure is up there, you guys. It's pretty clear just looking at these charts. Where is break of structure? This area. This area. To be safer, I've given you guys this area. In all honesty, I could give you guys this area, but it's fine. You'd rather layer your positions in case they want to push up. Alright, so let's see. For me, I personally think they're based off of price action, they want to push down. They should push down. Let's see if they want to or not, but they should push down. Okay? Rejection coming in from our supply. I hope none of you guys were buying this top up here. Cram, when you do your top downs and get to the 5, do you adjust all the lines that fits the... No, I don't. I need those key areas to be where they are, right? Minor adjustments here and there, the wick to body and all of that is fine, but I stick to where my lines usually are. I do fix them up sometimes, but nothing too major. Okay, and from the new year, we're definitely going to get into the habit of, we're going to have 2 charts that are going to be ready, and we'll get into the habit of doing maybe 2 charts live or 1 chart live, so that you guys can look at the freaking sells coming in on gold right now. Is Nasty selling as well? No. Okay, now what I'm afraid of is this, right? Y'all remember me telling y'all that M's, okay, could turn into W's, right? You see what I mean? These patterns, they keep turning into each other. If we get rejected from here and if we start to push up, we're then looking at a double bottom, okay? So that's why I'm saying get in on feelers so you can test it out, and then let's break structure to actually get in on anything that's not a feeler, okay? Y'all know where the cells are, don't y'all? On gold, where are the cells? Right there. Okay? Lots of traffic. Want to get in on feelers here and then push down further. Lots of traffic here though, you guys, okay? Let's try and break past. Let me make this a little clearer for y'all. Perfect. Okay? Chop on Nasty. They're clearly waiting for market open. Maybe they're coming into a little bit of an apex as well right now. Okay, we are coming into an apex. They're respecting the apex. Let's see, right? We can expect it to maybe get tighter and tighter and tighter and tighter. And then we'll have our entries. Alright, so far, nothing. Let's adjust this to that. Perfect. Alright, where are the buys, you guys? Up there, zone to zone. We're looking at about, not a very big move. That's a 10, 15, 12 pip move if I'm not wrong. Let me take a quick look. Yep, 12 pip move right there. Let's see. I'm okay accepting the fact that I've already taken my last trade for the rest of this year. I'm okay accepting that. I'm not feeling any sort of pressure or anxiety to get into any trade right now because I've had such a great year. I've had our fundeds have been flying high. It's been crazy. It's been unreal, and I want to close the year for myself on a good note, right? I don't want to sweat. I don't want to do anything of that sort because I don't give a shit about what these markets want to do after we are done with these markets, okay? So y'all know me by now. I may get in on it if it looks really, really good to me, but if not, I'm fine just watching, you guys. I'm fine just watching and analyzing these charts for y'all. Okay, so do we have any more questions in the meantime, you guys? I did. I hope I was able to clarify how you need to get set up and ready and up to speed with the sessions. But do we have any more questions at all? Because if y'all do, like Millzone said, we're here to answer you guys now. Okay.
Otherwise, I should just assume that everybody's rocking and rolling, and we should just. I think we have about 50 people, and we should just assume that 50 people are trading
and making money
along with us.
and making money. Crazy. All right.
Yes, I have some questions.
What's up? Is that you, Vix?
It is me.
Welcome back. You haven't been around for some time. How have you been?
Yeah, you know what? And that's kind of the thing I want to talk about.
What's up? Tell me. What's up?
Okay, so I kind of have some questions. Okay, so bear with me.
Mm-hmm.
So I was, doing awesome on
Mm-hmm.
my demo accounts,
Mm-hmm.
and I was feeling pretty confident. And when I mean I was doing well,
Mm-hmm.
I did, 2,500 one week. Then the week after that, I did 10 grand. And then the
Mhm.
week after that, I did I was doing really awesome. I thought, okay, you know what? I'm ready.
Mm-hmm.
And I went to the funded and I did my challenge. And truth be told, everybody, I blew my account immediately.
Mm-hmm.
And then I thought, okay, you know what? I'm gonna try again. and I got a second one, and I blew it again.
Mm-hmm.
And I kind of took some time to cry about it for a little bit, to be honest with you.
Mm-hmm.
Um, but I kind of wanted to ask, and I mean, since we're having open discussion here today,
Mm-hmm.
I I think that we spend a lot of time, posting W's in the chats and our success stories and everything, and I don't think that we spend any time talking about the L's. And I mean, I kind of think that it's important because when we're not talking about that as a group, it kind of, you see the chats and you see the success stories, and it looks like, everybody's winning. And I'm sure that we have people on here that are not talking, that are thinking, okay, what's wrong with me? What am I doing wrong? Because I come in here and it looks like everybody's winning all the time. So, and I kind of wanted to just put it out there and kind of open up that sort of discussion. Like, yeah, it's there's a really bad side to it as well. And kind of questions that I had for you, Cram, specifically,
Mm-hmm.
I wanted to talk about, I wanted to ask you about your trading journey. Oops.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
Like, how many times did you
I
load
blew
your
up
account before you
7
got
accounts. I blew up 7 accounts.
7?
I have told this to my one-on-ones. I don't think it might have come across with you, Vix, but I've blown up 7 accounts before I had my first profitable one. Listen, guys, it's really simple, right? With trading, if it was as easy as it looked, or if it were as easy as we're making it seem, everyone would be a millionaire. We have devised this strategy over years, and listen, the chef's gonna cook the meal the best, right? So the thing that we're trying to do here is we're trying to introduce our strategy to you guys so that y'all can spend some time with it and pick it up. Because the truth is, Vix, no one makes money in their first account. If someone is telling you, there are exceptions, of course. We have some people on the group as well that have already become live traders. There are some exceptions, but 99% of people, me included, you're not going to pass your first account, straight up. All right. And when it comes to posting the losses, that's up to you guys, because what I do is in front of y'all. I can't make it clearer to y'all about, again, the way me, Millzone Cash, the way we look at this, we're never going to be a buy or sell group. Yes, we're charting our charts for you so y'all see where we're buying and where we're selling, but we're never going to come to y'all and tell y'all, guys, get in with your Lambo here and get out of your Lambo here. That's not the way we have built that's not the way we look at our business, right? So what we post is what we're making out of our strategy. And whether you guys, it may sound unreal to y'all, but it's the absolute truth. I haven't had a single Lambo go against me in 3 years. That being said, I've had multiple feelers go against me, but that's where the money management and that's where the strategy comes in, Vix. Because the way we've devised the strategy, you're risking your feelers as much as you want, and you're only risking your Lambo for the shortest time possible. So that way you have a fixed amount that you make from your Lambo, irrespective of whether your other trades want to go to hit TP or stop loss. Because if we start to reduce our expectation from any given trade, Vix, then that's going to leave us as happy human beings. Because I can guarantee you, with what we do here, 99% of the time, all right, if it respects again, that 1% is not in my control because I don't have a magic ball in front of me, but 99% of the times when we respect the break of structure, a clean break of structure, so I'm not talking about a break of structure and then the dancing around and then all of that, but on the first attempt, when we respect this, let me draw it out for you guys so y'all can see it. When we respect this on the first attempt, I'm promising you, you're going to get at least 15 pips off of this move. And what do you need from your Lambo? You need just 10 pips. All right. So when you're able to sort of pull back, listen, I've been through this myself. My wife has been through this, and I've seen so many. There are 65, 70 of y'all on the one-on-ones right now, and I know how many of y'all have blown accounts, and it's all part of the trading journey, which is why we were telling you guys in the beginning that get on with demo accounts, because it becomes really easy to get that level of confidence when you all trade my sessions, when you all do all of that, and then when you guys start to trade outside of my sessions. And Vix, I know that you blew that account the day I was in trading. I also know that I was looking at the chat, you were trading news, and for some reason I think you bought the market when I told you guys the previous day that today it's gonna sell. Like, these are the things I'm saying. There's a reason that we are on this side of the stream, right? And y'all need to realize that nobody is gonna create their first account, minus the exceptions. Tusu, you my man, congratulations, great. But the truth is 99% of traders are going to lose their first account, okay? And there's a good chance that if someone doesn't, they're probably still on the beginner's luck streak. Okay, and I know so many people on here. Surv, are you here, my man? If you're here, you'll be able to testify to this because me and Surv have spoken about this a lot. But there is a serious change that comes across when you switch over from a demo account to a live account, right? And I'm sure I'm sure 99% of people over here have experienced that change already, because when you switch over to a live account, you get more conservative. Your confidence takes a hit. Where you'd be getting in with Lambos, you'd be getting in 10 pips later. All of those things happen, but that's how you have to learn. So start from a small account, grow your accounts, you guys. No one is telling y'all to buy 100K accounts. Listen, y'all need to realize we're building a business over here. We have to put out numbers. We have to put things out because we're catering to 100 people. But if you scroll back on success stories, you'll see days where our Lambos have hit losses. But the truth is, our Lambos don't hit losses, right? There are some trades that go against, and those trades, still, you would have banked a little bit on your feeler or whatever it is, and then it's just the markets. They reverse on you. But when we have a loss, we put on the loss as well. That's the point that I'm trying to make. So, all in all, it's not easy, because if it were easy, everyone would be a millionaire, okay? Because think about it, it's like a no-brainer, right? What we do, we come on these markets, we sit for an hour, 2 hours a day, and boom, we make our money, we do what we want to, and we move on with our lives. Me and Cash, we're not even full-time traders. Like, now we've become full-time traders because we're trading for you guys and we're building something here. But we're filmmakers, we're actors. We have a whole separate journey and a whole separate career that's going. And before I joined Forex, before I joined this, I was sitting on these markets for an hour a day, doing what I had to do, and then moving on, right? So it's all in the mindset. It's all in, it takes time, Vix. That's what I'm trying to say. I don't want you to be giving up because I know you've got the potential. Watch this as well, okay, you guys? Okay, before I move on, you see how an M could now change into a W, right? Do you all see that? Maybe that's what we're going for, okay? I'm not getting in on this. I'm good. I do have a little position that's running with my stop loss up there, but this is what I'm looking at, okay? This is going against price action for me, so I don't want to get in on this. All right, so yeah, you guys basically just need to get into the right mindset. Trade small, trade a demo. I mean it. Trade a demo. For a month, for 2 months, it doesn't matter. Trade a demo till you feel confident, and you yourself will wake up one day and you'll be like, all right, you know what? I can now successfully pull it off. And that's when you should get on a live account. The goal should be to get as much practice as possible in the live accounts as possible to get those reps under pressure. It's okay to blow an account, but to blow multiple within a small time frame, that means a month. Absolutely. Guys, listen. There are 3 sides to what we do. Okay? There's 1, the analysis. 2, the money management. And 3, the trading psychology. You can't have just one of these things and make money every single day. You need to have, these are the 3 pieces of the puzzle. You've got to put the puzzle together, and only then will you be able to consistently make profits, you guys. And there have been days in my first year of trading where, I kid you not, in fact, me and Cash were talking about this morning. Like, literally, you know, we were just, like I told y'all, it's been an overwhelming day for us, and we were just looking back at our journey and how we started and where we've reached. And we were looking back, and she told me this today, all right? And she was like, do you remember in the first year, there were days where I sat and I cried on her lap. I sat and I cried because I thought I knew everything, but I still wasn't making money off of these markets, so I didn't know where I was going wrong. It can take a toll on you, but the ones that make it are the ones that stick by it. It's just that simple. You have to give it time if you want to perfect it. I have given it 7 years of my life, Vix, and all of you guys on here, I've given it 7 years, and I'm not saying I've given it 7 years where I'm sitting 18 hours on the charts a day. No, I've given it 7 years where I've sat on the charts at least for 1 hour a day, and after that, my understanding is what it is of these markets. Okay, so I don't want you guys, you especially, Vix, this is for you. I don't want you to be demotivated by whatever has happened. It happens. Now, get on a smaller account. Or, better, get on a demo account till you're ready. Okay? I hope that clarifies it. I hope that makes you feel a little bit better, Vix.
Well, yeah, you know what? Like I said, I just took some time away
Mhm.
just so I could cry about it for a bit, to be honest with you, because if I didn't do that, then I didn't want to get into the revenge drinking
Yeah.
habit, and then
Absolutely.
I'd be more. Then I'd be pissed off in here every single morning. So,
Yeah.
you know, I kind of thought, okay,
No, it's
I
good.
just kind of need to
It's good.
some time
Taking
swoon, and then I'll come back.
taking those healthy breaks. Sorry, go ahead.
Yeah, hey Vix, I just want to, without kind of reiterating, the same thing Cram said, I was hoping maybe my experience could help in a little bit. So I also haven't been perfect, right? I've had great days, I've had bad days, and I have no problem sharing that with the group if it helps everybody. But one thing is clear based on it. So I was trading along, and I wasn't making enough to budget myself to pass my challenge. So I started upping the money management. I was too conservative at first. And then as soon as I did, right, then trades were going against me, and I started going down the rabbit hole. Everybody knows how that feels. So again, I lost an account. What did I do? I got so pissed. I went onto my Forex funds, hit the refresh, which is like, basically start again, and I started trading on the same live session the same day that I had just busted my account on. That is probably the worst thing you could do. I wrote it in the chat, but I'm going to reiterate it here on the voice. So I think the goal, the lesson I learned is that I need to take the demo account with a grain of salt, okay, that everyone knows it's different than the live. And I traded the demo account for about 8 weeks following along these sessions with Cram, like everyone here, until I started with a live challenge. 8 weeks. Of course, I won every trade because I could just hold it until it went my way, and I was making 20 grand a week and thought I was looking at Bugattis and talking like Andrew Tate, and obviously a dream. Just kidding.
We're gonna get there, man. We're gonna get there, though. the Bugattis.
Here's the short of it that I really wanted to mention. I blew 2 accounts within that week because my money management was not there. What I realized is the psychology comes into play, everything changes, and my goal now was to take a live account, and I said, listen, if I blow this account, I'm at least going to get the full 30 days out of it. I'm not going to put myself in a position to get so mad and get upset and have to start within the, I'm going to pay this, I'm not going to say how much it is, but I'm going to pay this money, and it better last me more than a week. And then it better last me more than 2 weeks. And then even if I blow this account in 3 to 4 weeks, I lasted that long. And that's a small win for me. I told Cram, I said, the goal for this one is to finish $1 in profit. I don't need to become funded. I just need to finish $1 in profit. That's going to mean the world to me. And then if some people don't know, if you do that, you actually get benefits like they don't charge you again. You can retake it or you can extend it. So I'm saying that's my goal. What happened is I started really, really refining the steps and the strategy. I went back and rewatched all the videos that I was there for when they were recorded. I thought that I knew it, and I watched it once, and I went past it, but I went back and watched them day in and day out. And now my account is up $2,500. I'm successfully on my way to get funded. And I also took a break, by the way, which is what I wanted to mention, is after that huge debacle. I took 2 weeks where I just traded on the demo again, got back up to it, but really used the demo the way it's designed and not just putting in huge lots for a 20 grand payday on gold, but really focused in on how much money I need to make a day, tried to do that on a demo, made sure I had very little losing trades, because, again, I wanted to stretch the money that I paid for my funded account the full 30 days. Now what's happening is it's weird, but I'm actually over target to pass my challenge. I have no idea what's going to happen, right? But just those lessons that we learn, albeit they are sometimes expensive, they're all the means to an end, right? They're all part of the journey, like Cram said. And to summarize, right, just if you're going to go for the funded account, don't try to hit it your first time. Just try to get a small win, like finishing it profitable or making it last 30 days. I think setting the right expectation is there. And then lastly, I'll finish with, obviously, I don't want anyone spending money on this that they're not able to lose, right? I don't
Please,
want
yes.
one over trading. Not to say anyone is in that position, but if you can't afford it, guys, let's wait. Just trade with what you can, and don't think you're going to put the kids' college fund on it, because that can get messy. But take your time, learn the lessons, try to minimize the loss as best you can. And Vix, thank you for being real and opening up this conversation, because look at the chat. Everybody's in the same boat, and there's enough people here that there's not something that's happening to just one person. So thank you.
No problem. Thank you. I think I think it was super important to kind of have this discussion, even just amongst ourselves on the live, because I was really feeling like I thought I understood this. What the hell is happening? Because I'm posting this.
You're well on your way
I knew that
there.
The psychology part of trading was going to be an issue for me, but it
Guys,
really
also,
isn't.
I'm sorry to cut you, but market open right now, okay? Market open right now. Boom. All right, let's go. Let's see if Nasdaq wants to give it to us. All right, they're going bullish. Gold is starting to go bullish. Let's see if they want to give it. Okay. If they break past up here, we're good to the next zone. Okay, you guys? Okay. But looks like they're trying to. Indecision for right now. This freaking sucks. It feels like we caught the moves in the beginning of the session, huh? Okay, there you go. Who's in on Nasdaq? Who's in on Nasdaq? Don't be greedy. Take what you're getting. I didn't get in, but who caught that? TP again. Alright, and let's see if gold wants to give it up here, okay, you guys? If gold wants to start to sell, we're looking at maybe coming down from there. Okay? This is why I said, take what you get. Missed out too. I'm done too, Gerald. Take what you get. We may get this pushed down to the demand. All right, and another point that I do want to make, you guys, Vix, this is just in addition to what you were asking and what you said. There's another thing y'all need to realize, okay? So these setups, like y'all just saw, a lot of times, not a lot of times, all the time, literally, right? Everyone's entries are going to be different. Not just because when your trigger finger, what your pace is like of taking these trades, but everyone is on a different broker, and even if they're on the same broker, everyone's spread is going to be different, which means there's not going to be a single time where I make 10 pips profit and you make 10 pips profit, right? What we can do for you guys, what we've been doing here at Forex Trading is we've been giving you guys the strategy. Now you guys have to try it, test it, figure out, just like Millzone said, right? Just like, guys, I have seen this man's trading journey from the past 3 months. Okay, let me just say, what are they doing here? Look at how freaking dirty this is, okay? Let me just say that he's come a really long way from where he started to where he's at now. But the truth is, he has a little bit more of an edge, I'm not going to lie, because I'm directly in touch with him. But irrespective of that, he has spent the time to understand the strategy. All right, he has spent the time to actually understand why we do what we do when it comes to the money management, when it comes to the entries, when it comes to the exits and all of that good stuff, okay? So you need to realize it's not a competition, okay? If somebody makes 5 pips, somebody may make 10. There may be a day I make 10, you make 15. It doesn't matter as long as you're able to find those key points to throw in your Lambo like a secret weapon. It doesn't matter if you make 5 pips or 10 pips. Look at Nasty. We sold. We hit TP on Nasty. We're coming into some demand. Did anyone catch this? I'm just the guy holding the camera. We love you, brother. You know that, man. We're in this together. You know it, all right? US 30? Screw that. Look at Nasty, bro. Nasty came down, hit TP. Did anyone catch Nasdaq? Did anyone catch this move? Not me?
No.
No? Not my babe as well? Did anyone catch that? Nice impulse. Caught it, but not the full move. That's fine. That's exactly what I was just saying, right, Ashley? You don't need the full move. Okay? We're breaking, you guys. Classic. What is this? Classic double top, right? Classic double top. This was the biased. We knew we were going to come down and hit TP, which is why we didn't have buys up here. But again, like I said, if they didn't want to make this double top, they would have gone up, made a head and shoulders, and then maybe pushed down. Okay? If y'all
I
caught...
have one question when you're done this move, Cram.
Yep, go ahead. Go ahead.
Sorry. just kind of finishing off what I was saying before.
Mm-hmm.
I'm kind of interested in knowing, like, what can you talk about or tell us about, like, what issues when you were blowing up your account still? What issues were you having? Like, what bad habits did you have, or what mistakes did you keep making that you had to either, break those habits or work on not doing? Like, what were you?
One, over leveraging. All right, so when I started off, I didn't know what pips were. I didn't know how to convert pips into money. So I was over leveraging all of my accounts because I was looking at it as a get rich overnight sort of a thing. I wanted to make a quick buck when I started off. Fucking hell. I'm sorry, you guys. Look at NASDAQ. Look at that. Holy shit. Millzone, you're going to have a really, really good video from Cash today. I've got 2 videos for you, brother, from day before and from today. Okay, I forgot. I lost my chain of thought. Vix, help me. Right. Okay. Got it.
She was
Okay.
saying,
Got it.
What were the
Yep.
mistake? What happened to you when you were early on? And
Yep.
you were
So
talking about over leveraging.
So one, I was over leveraging, which I think almost everyone, that's an issue that everyone faces anyway in the beginning. But 2, I didn't have a strategy to respect. This strategy we built over time when I already started to become a profitable trader, right? But I saw my trading journey really take a complete flip and a complete turn. One, when the strategy came in. Why? Because I then stopped being greedy. You guys keep talking about fear and greed, fear and greed. If I stick with our Forex strategy, with what we've built over here, I don't want more than 10 pips with my Lambo. That leaves me with a fixed profit of 10 pips, where the price wants to do what I've analyzed it's going to do or whether it doesn't, right? Because if you respect the feelers and crack the entries and you're how do I put it? You're strong enough to just take 10 pips and not want more. When you start doing that, that's when you're going to make money. So coming back to it, I was holding on to my trades for too long. All right, so I was over leveraging. I was being greedy. I was holding on to my trades. I wasn't happy. I wasn't happy with 10 pips. And trust me, guys, in the first couple of months of your trading, your trading psychology is going to be all over the place. All right, you're going to be upset that things don't work out. You're going to be is this making the head and shoulders that we spoke about? Probably not. Probably not. Next level right there. Next level right there, okay? Let's see if they want to... Guys, if we start to get rejected from here, there's a good chance you're going to see... I'm not going to do it, no. But there's a good chance you may start to see me throw in some sell positions down here on the break of this demand, okay? Babe, you need to pull that position out. Millzone will be happy with the video. Trust me when I say this. So she's going with a really, really tight stop loss. Okay? She's trailing her stop, but she's up over 100 pips at this. No, 85 pips at this time. Okay. Yes. So over leveraging and being greedy and not having a strategy to respect. So that would not make my profits consistent, which would affect my psychology. Make sense?
Yeah, absolutely.
Okay. Okay, Gold's doing it as well. Gold's freaking pushing, you guys. Look at that. Broke past our supply. Went to hit our marked area. What a fucking insane day. I'm sorry, excuse my language, you guys. But what a way to end the year, huh? Okay?
Oh, my very last piece of advice. If you guys are trading just based on the charts that you see on the live stream, you are 2 to 3 seconds behind every time. Please get your trading view out and start learning how to do the charts alongside of us, because if you open Google Chrome or your internet right now and go to trading view and make sure that the chart that you're looking at is, in this case, NASDAQ for Global Prime, you will be 3 seconds ahead of what you see on this screen. So, of course, we need a way to show you all. That's why we're live streaming. But for me, I listen to Cram's voice, I minimize Discord, and I open up my own charts, and I only trade 1 or 2, commodities or indices or, whatever. And then, obviously, you see those moves and those breaks of structure before they happen. So that could be the difference of 10 pips. So like I was saying, or like Cram was saying, don't be greedy, just get in and out. That can be tough when you're 3 seconds behind. So obviously we said it in the beginning, but I don't think we've said it really more recently. You should be using your own trading view. I don't know if that's the case for you, Vix, but hope it looks like, you know, somebody already said, hey, that's
Yeah.
just trying to help out.
Yeah, no, for sure. Because guys, even y'all need to realize, right? Even when we stop doing this on, when we move on from Discord, whatever it is, whenever we stream it, however we stream it, there's always going to be a lag. All right, there's going to be a 2 to 3 second lag, and y'all have seen the pace of what we do over here. Okay, it's pretty quick. That 1 second, 2 seconds is also going to change your spreads from mine, like I was talking, which means you may catch a higher spread or a lower spread, but our profits are going to be different. Okay, so y'all, to make the most out of my sessions, don't be lazy. Pick one chart, either Nasdaq or gold. Chart it the way I have charted it. Put the buys and sells. Listen to my voice, like Millzone said, of how I'm getting in, what I'm thinking about it, because I'm analyzing the charts live for y'all, and watch your own candle moves. Okay, that's gonna give you. Okay, so Cash is telling me literally since the session started till now, she's been on 2 trades, one feeler of a Nasdaq buy and one feeler of and one Lambo of Nasdaq, and she hasn't taken any more trades. She's just watching this and she's banking right now. She's whew, happy new year to us. Yeah. Yeah. Our fund is going to be real happy tonight. Okay. But she's up by quite a bit. I'm not even going to... I'm not putting out any sort of numbers right now. But yeah, I'm in a little loss for words right now. Millzone, you're going to be very happy, my man. Okay. Fuck, it's still pushing. Still pushing. This whole move, we're looking at about 84 pips. Okay? If this was October, November, this same move would be 400 or 500 pips. Do you guys remember those days? The move feels like it was that big, but do y'all remember when this move would actually be 400 pips and not 84 pips? Do y'all remember that? Babe, you really need to pull it out. No, I'm not kidding.
I'm looking at 11 on arrow.
Okay, we're definitely coming into some really strong resistance. A lot of traffic. Please pull that out. Please.
Cash, we gotta practice what we preach.
Mill saying, Cash, we need to practice what we preach. Oh, fucking hell, bro. But whatever she's saying is working out today. Look at that.
Never mind.
Oh, good lord.
Abandon all reason, Cash. Take that money. Congratulations.
Thank you. Thank you, sir.
Friends 2 moves, though.
Yep, I know. Me neither, man. I'm good. I mean, I've literally just made $1,500 today, but I don't need to make any more looking at what's happening right now. So I don't need to be making any more for the next quarter, to be honest. We're good. Okay, you guys. So, listen. This was a great session. We banked a lot. We got a lot of pips. We had some great discussions, and I couldn't be happier that this was the last session of this year. All right, it's pretty freaking crazy that. I mean, think about it, right? If we would have had our last session tomorrow, maybe not, but we could have had our last session as a dud. But what a way to put a freaking... Oh my god, fuck. Sorry guys, I keep losing my train of thought because I'm watching MetaTrader right now. Okay, just give me a second and we'll get to that. Fuck. We're pushing. Are you up by 100 pips? Yep. She's up by 105 pips right now. 110 pips? 110 pips right now.
Excluding brokerage.
Is price of US 100 different than MT4 in TradingView? Yes, it absolutely is. It absolutely is. Because damn it, it's getting hard for me to talk. Because okay, bro, it's different because all fuck, what's wrong with me?
No, I don't know.
Okay. It's different because all brokers have different charts on the same security, right? So it's not going to be different by too much, but it's going to be different by a couple of pips here and there, but your candles are going to remain the same. Babe, the second it hits that.
No, I'm looking at this.
Okay. Are you going for the wick fill?
Probably I'll see.
Okay, so she thinks we're going to test that. That's what she's waiting for.
If not, then let's apply.
So
and-
for DKE talks or DK talks, we'll get that right eventually when we talk. I usually look at the top downs, which are the horizontal lines that go across the support, the resistance, supply, demand, and a lot of them are based on break of structure, which, like Cram said, the candles are the same. So if you go on your MetaTrader, for example, right before this huge breakout, we were looking at the break of that little thin green candle right in the supply zone, right before it. That would be our break of structure. That is still there on MetaTrader, so you could still use the tool to go find out what number that is for you, but it might be different than the numbers you see on the stream. So that's another little hack that I've come to realize is, just putting in orders wherever Cram says is not the way. That's why we use.
It's not going to
we
work.
don't use orders. We use market.
Yep.
But if you're looking to get the price difference down, it's wherever that the top of the last candle is. You can go see the difference and just play it by ear from that. I hope that helps.
What does sell order mean? How is it marked? I mean, how can I know it's a buy or a sell order? I've thought that's similar like in crypto. We have one view and just buy, sell high. Okay, so I think what you're asking me is, listen, orders are, we have buy stops and buy limits and sell stops and sell limits. Okay, so what those are is, to simply answer your question though, these green boxes that I put up, say price was down here, these boxes that I put up, these would be the buys, these boxes that I put down, these would be the sells. Okay, and we don't exactly use orders for our trades. We do sometimes on news, but that's not the way our strategy works. We use instant market executions. What is an order? You could set this level up on your MetaTrader, saying that if price wanted to push down here, you'd get triggered in on a sell when we break that price. So that's what a sell stop would be. Okay, and a buy stop would be just the opposite, where if you have this level over here and you have a buy up there, you'd go like, okay, you find this level on your MetaTrader, and then you'd be like, okay, whenever price wants to push up to that level, I'll get triggered into a buy. So that's how the stops work, and I hope that answers your question, but we don't really use the orders. I hope you understood the buys and sell boxes as we put them and why we put them. We are scalpers. We buy when price is going up and we sell when price is going down. It's not the same as investing in crypto. 100%, my man. It's also not as manipulated as crypto. It's traditional. Cheers. I hope it's clearer to you now though, bro. I hope it makes sense to you, because if you did have if that was your concern, I want to make sure that it's not anymore. Okay? Do we have any more questions, you guys? Because this has been one hell of a session. Like I've said, I think 10 times today, we couldn't have had a better way to close this year, and this is the last trading session for this year, you guys. Is this session going to be on Academy? Yes, it is. Yes, it is. It's going to be on this. It's going to be on the Forex Academy right after. Okay, so guys, how many of y'all today made money off of my setups? I'm asking you this for the last time for the year. All right, react to my W. Y'all see my W right there. React to it. How many of y'all out of today's insane session made profits? Okay, be it paper trading, be it any sort of live account, be it $1, be it $100, be it 1,000, or be it 30,000. How many of y'all made money? I'm gonna check the chat in just a minute. Just gonna, babe, you're done. Okay, can you take my trade recaps?
Yeah.
16 people. 16 people have made money off of my setups. All right, that's great. I love it, and I'm asking this to y'all for the last time, because we've given you guys a lot of love in the past 3 months. We're closing the year we'd love if y'all could go on to Twitter and just post about these sessions, okay? Even if that helps us get a couple of new people into as we start next week in the next year, it'll mean a lot to us, all right? So go on to Twitter, tag CramFX, tag CashFX, tag Project Whitelist, tag Millzone. Do all y'all have to. Put the names out there and just put on a post for us. It would mean the world to us, you guys, just because it'd be really nice to we've been giving. It'd be nice to get some back just towards the end of the year. That's all I'm asking for, okay? Not too much. It's free for y'all. Just go ahead and do that. And on Success Stories, of course. I know my OGs over here. You guys are definitely going to still go on to Success Stories and put the reviews like y'all do. Go ahead and post your profits, okay, guys? I keep telling this to everyone, and I've been talking to my wife, to Millzone, to everyone that's related with Forex, that we're building an army, you guys. Trust me when I say this. I can't say this with more conviction. We're building an army, and we're building an army of millionaires, okay? If you all want to stick around and you all want to be part of that and pick up our strategy that we're offering to you guys for free, put in the time, put in the effort, come in on the live sessions, and everything will start to make sense to you. You're not going to start making money tomorrow. We're not advertising Forex. Fucking hell. We're not advertising Forex as a get-rich overnight scheme, but we are... sorry guys, I'm looking at this candle, I'm looking at MetaTrader, and I keep losing my train of thought. Alright, just give me one quick second, you guys. Just 1 second. Just 1 second, guys, sorry. Okay, sorry about that. I just had to send something. But yes, guys, we'd really, really appreciate if you guys could just go on to Twitter and put a post in on Success Stories, okay? So I'm going to quickly go over the chat if there are any last questions. And if not, we're going to call it a session. Okay, I was up, but now down as the market is going up when I'm selling. Okay, are these sessions still happening in January? Yes, sir, they are. 2 sessions are going to be happening in January, not just the ones I do, but the lovely CashFX is going to be doing the London Market Open every single day starting Tuesday, okay? So from Tuesday, you're going to have 2 free live sessions, one for the London Market Open and the other, which is this one, for the New York Market Open, all right? Awesome, you guys. Okay, great session, great quarter, great family we're building over here, great community we're building over here. Please, I really want to thank y'all, both me and Cash and everyone from the Forex team. We want to thank y'all for giving us such a nice and warm welcome, and y'all have just been so loyal to us. It's been crazy. All right, we're promising y'all 2023 is going to be the Forex year for y'all. As long as y'all stick around, come, put in the time, put in the effort. Nothing can stop y'all from making money in these markets, okay? I want to wish everyone a very, very, very happy new year and a happy 2023. I hope you guys have all the success next year, and I just hope y'all have a good one. All right? This was the year's last session, you guys. Thank y'all so much. We will catch y'all next Tuesday, okay? We're going to be back next Tuesday, and surprisingly, the next session y'all are going to have is going to be with CashFX, all right? So y'all make sure to give her the love that y'all give me as well, okay? The next session is, we have cheers for you, babe. The next session is going to be Cash doing London next Tuesday, followed by me doing New York like I do for y'all also on Tuesday, all right? Have a happy, happy, happy new year, you guys, and have a great one. I'm CramFX. This is Forex Trading, signing out.